Hey everybody, this video I've got a American 700, it says extra space storage on it. I got this used on eBay. It came with a one key. Let's see if I can get it open here. Hopefully it opens fast, as these 700s aren't really fun to hold. There we go. That actually may have been open there. Let's see if we can gut it. Didn't feel any spools here, just a couple serrated pins. Doesn't mean there isn't any spools though, because looking at the key, there's definitely some long pins in it. The ever important pin tray. And lock it back, as I do have a key for it. Makes it easier to get the clip off when it's locked. Okay, so pin 5 here. Looks like that was pin 2 that fell out, and this looks like it's master keyed. So this was pin 2 that fell out of for chamber 2. There's one. Alright, so bet we'll find more. Now there's master wafer right there. Yep. And master wafer 2, they were stuck together there. So always disappointing when you find that. So serrated, master wafer just shot out at me. Alright, so all 5 chambers had master wafers in them. So I wanted that picked so easily. Alright, like I said, always disappointed when I run into that. But when you buy used locks, you never know what you're gonna get. But so anyway, I'm gonna get rid of the master wafers, and that'll do it for this video. We'll talk to everybody later.